Hello everyone, MK Goalkeeper here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Reusch Attrakt Advanced Legacy 86. You've got like 4mm of that advanced game level latex. This isn't. It's going to give you a lot of balance in all conditions between great grip and amazing durability. And yeah, you see it's the World Cup 86 gloves from Argentina, two-time World Cup winner. It's the same design, and what they've done is in the design they've made the blue bit a punching zone for punching power. And also with this Evolution negative cut that they've done, it gives you a pre-curved feel on the ball. And you've also got elite breathability between the gloves on the wrist strap, which is very elasticated, and on the wrist strap. And the closure is just a simple strap with a bit of Velcro in the middle and a bit of Velcro at the end to make it a standard, simple feel. And you've also got the 5 stars for all the 5 Reusch winners of the World Cup. One of them being Unai Simon, 2 of them being the Argentinian man, and 2 others being 2 others I don't know. So let me down in the comments below who that is. Elasticated wrist strap, like I said, and yeah, just a beautiful wrap on the thumb as well. And yeah, just overall good glove. You've got negative gussets, that elite breathability, and this glove features of a mix between great durability and great grip. So yeah, let me know if you guys would cop these, yes or no.